to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. Today I'll be making a tutorial on how you can make your own whitening body scrub. I'll be making use of recipes that you can get in and around you. I would want you to stay right here with me, do not go anywhere, and watch this video till the end. I promise you, you're going to enjoy it. Hi fans, I'll start by introducing the ingredients I'm going to use for your body whitening scrub. Here I have my Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt is good for exfoliating your body. It's also very good for relaxing and softening of your body and tissues. Himalayan salt is also very good for whitening your skin. Also, I'll be making use of my black salt powder. Black salt powder comes in more gritty way, but this one is a granulated one because I'll be making use of it in this scrub. That's why I got the granulated one. If you get the more gritty one, you can blend it into a finer powder before you use. It's also very good for whitening and good for softening of your skin, and its major function is to reduce the production of melanin. So when production of melanin is reduced, your body whitens faster. Also, to the recipe, I'll be adding my oat powder. This is fine oat powder. I ground it more into powder so that it will be smooth to use and very effective. You can use your oat powder if you can't get in any cosmetic shop. You can use the oat that you have in the house and blend it into fine powder. To the recipe, I'll also be using my Salicylic Acid. I'll be adding it to the mix. Then I'll be using my Licorice powder. Licorice powder is also very good in reduction of melanin production. It's also very good in whitening of your body. Then I'll be using my Styleclar Serum. This is it. I'll be using half bottle of it in the mix. Styleclair is good. It's a combination of nutritive vegetable and brightening elements which work actively in a limited lapse of time to the process of regenerating dead cells. It also protects the skin effectively and is responsible for anti-aging. So I'll be using it in the mix. Then also to the mix, I'll be adding my vitamin C powder. Then here I have my orange peel powder. This is a DIY orange peel powder. I'm going to add it to today's mix. It's also very good for exfoliating of the skin and whitening of the skin. Then finally, I'll be making use of my alum powder. Alum powder is also very good for exfoliating of the skin and for making your skin look brighter and reduction of the discoloration on your skin. And of course, here I have my sterilized bowl. I'll be using it for my mix. Okay? Hi guys, here is my Himalayan salt. You can see it. This is the pink one. I'll be using a cup of it. Then I'll be using half a cup of my black salt powder. That's the color. Then I'll be using 2 tablespoonfuls of my oat powder. Then 1 tablespoonful of my DIY orange peel powder. Then half tablespoonful of my vitamin C powder. One teaspoon of my salicylic acid. Half tablespoonful of my licorice powder. And half tablespoonful of my alum powder. I'll be adding half a bottle of my Styleclar Serum. This scrub is going to be powerful. This scrub can give you 2 to 3 shades. You keep stirring in until all the powders are incorporated into the serum. The scrub is smooth and very effective. For those of you that want to brighten your color, I want to whiten without any side effect, this is very good for you. The secret about this mix is to leave it for 48 hours. Cover it up before you use. Okay. When you finish, this is the consistency you're likely going to get. So store in an airtight container. Store in an airtight container, then leave for 48 hours before you start using. I am sure you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And kindly share this video. I still remain your girl, Cindy. Thanks, and see you guys next time.